Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other PTC watching advertisement website. You can watch advertisement and you can earn much more cryptocurrency just watching advertisement. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. The website name is CoinPayU, and this website link in description. You can click and come here. This is all about the reviews. This is the 4.9 people review. The review is very high. You can show you the payout on this is the launching in 2019, and this is all-time working. Okay, and you can just click register yourself in this website. Okay, this registration is very easy. Put your username, email, password, and confirm password. I have registered exactly, and I go to log in my website. Okay, this is my password. My password is very long. Okay, I don't remember what is the password. Okay, sorry, I'm a little bit sick, and about that I don't make any video in the duration of a week. And I click login. I don't know what is the password. Okay, invalid email or password. Okay, I make another account. Okay, right back. Okay, you can see I make another account. Just click register. I use a strong password because the username is already taken. I put another username like this. I put something unique. Okay, choose a strong password all time, but remember the password, and the username is very long. Okay, this one is, I think, good. Taxi. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this two is too long. More than 20 character. This website didn't accept. Okay, they send me a code to this platform. Okay, I go to my Gmail account. So I receive that password or not. Okay, this one send me the code. Okay, CoinPayU and this send me a code. I copy the code and come here, paste the code. Okay, after pasting the code, it told me to log in. Just I click I'm not robot. I log in my account to show you how it's worked. Okay, now wait a second. Gmail. Okay, this is the website. This website is very easy working website. You can earn Satoshi. You can put to your purchase from referral, and reaching the level. Every level you reach, you can claim your BTC. You can recommend and earn up to 20% of the referral link, and you can just come here, view hats. You can surf hats, you can window hats or video hats. This is very payment website. Have a much more advertisement. Okay, and you can go to offer links. I have a lot of offer links available in this website. I go to first one, the ads. Okay, 20 Satoshi every 60 seconds. This is very high, and this is much more advertisement. You can just watch and you can earn your cryptocurrency. And next one is window hats. You can watch window hats without closing the window. Okay, this much you can earn every window hats. And video hats, watching advertisement like videos, YouTube videos, just watch and you can earn from the YouTube videos too. Okay, and you can come later down for offer walls. You can complete offers and you can earn much more. And if you know about offers, complete. If you don't know, just watching advertisement and you can earn. Okay, this is the all offers. Pay you this much Satoshi, this much Satoshi. This is very high payment, but just complete the right offers. Okay, and you can come to advertisement. If you have advertisement to put in this website, like if you have YouTube channel, you can click this one, enter your the name. Okay, and this is the this much click, pay you every click how much this will be. The minimum is 20 Satoshi. Okay, this CPM base in 30 seconds. All language you can use, just English. You can use which one, mobile and desktop, you can use all this. And total of the Satoshi to pay you this much, pay this website. You can click under time, click to this website. Okay, put your YouTube video link. Okay, and you can affiliate the other people, like you can copy your referral link and that people to come to join this website. Okay, you can refer all your friends, but this website didn't let you to refer yourself. Okay, this website just need real users and real worker users, and you can refer. Okay, this is the all referral link payment. Okay, this much referral you referral to your friends. Okay, this much you can earn. And if you refer this much users, and this much you can earn. If you refer 1,000 users, you can earn this much. Okay, and this is the all about the 10% of commission the referral link, and you can earn 20% of commission of the BTC ads. Okay, next month commission is 10%. The next month is 50, and then last month is 20. Okay, this is all about the referral link. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This website link in description. Bye bye.